Use your spoons. Good job, EJ. Here you go. Use your spoon, not your hand. Put it in there. Good job. That was a big bite for a little girl. Yes, it was. Good job, babies. You guys are getting so big. So big. How big are you? How big are you? What? Oh, there you go. Good job, James. Ooh, don't do that. Too far. You okay? Oh, wait. There we go. Is that good? How good is it? Is it really, really good? Really, really good? You are such a disaster. Show everybody your disaster. Show everybody your disaster. Say, look at us. We're a disaster. Oh, I don't know how to do this. We're a disaster. Are you using your spoons? Oh, wrong end of the spoon, kid. I guess it works. Here, use the wrong end. Here, use this end. Here you go. You guys are so big. You guys are so big. Can you share? Can you share? Layton, can you give some to your sister? Give some to your sister. No? EJ, can you give some to Layton? Give some to Layton. How about you give Layton a kiss? Can you give Layton a kiss? Give Layton a kiss. Oh, that was so nice. One more. Give Layton a kiss. No. I say no way. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Blow kisses.